What's up, guys? Yak Maniacs. Today, me and my dad, we went out on Lake Allatoona, went from Blockhouse and fished that bridge behind me and that marina back there. Had a good time. Enjoyed myself, caught some fish. You'll see that action. But also, I don't know if I'm gonna throw in some of the other fishing trips I went on this week. I don't know if I'll make that a separate video or not. I don't know yet, I gotta see how much footage I got. But anyways, hope you all enjoy. Watch the action. It's pretty good. They got some good stuff going on. See ya. Yo, what's up, Yak Maniacs? Okay, now you won't even believe this, but I'm supposed to be going out fishing Lake Acworth today with Nick. My buddy Nick, he was in a couple videos ago, and he's late. I'm just sitting here bank fishing for a little bit, and holy crap, I don't know if you can tell, this thing is a monster. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught from Lake Acworth, man. This thing's like 4 pounds. This thing is ridiculously big. I don't have a scale. My guess is 4 pounds. This thing is absolutely insane. Right. Oh my god, dude. I don't have a that was literally my first cast. Oh my god. Like, I don't have my GoPro on, it's all in the trunk. My kayak's on top of the car. Look at this fish. Look at this fish. Okay, I messed up. I supposed to capture that awesome release. I didn't. Dude, that was like 4 pounds. I'll show you what I was doing. Okay, let me try to calm myself and kind of explain what just happened. I'm sitting here on Lake Acworth, just taking my time. But again, my buddy Nick is supposed to be here. He's running late, so he told me to go fish for a little bit. I'm like, all right, I can't get my kayak off without him, so I fish off the bank. I can't even speak. I'm not even lying. First cast on this gold lipless right here. I remember getting this from an MTP box. I think it's like a cotton cordell. Lipless, gold. On this new Ducket Triad cranking series rod on my Abu Garcia Revo X. That is, I don't have a scale with me, so I can't say it was 4 pounds, but I'm pretty sure it was a 4 pounder. It was long, it was pretty big. It's the biggest fish I've caught in forever. I'm a little upset I didn't have a scale. But anyways, I got my GoPro out now. I'm gonna fish a little bit more until Nick gets here, and I just want another one. This can be something. I'm really just, like I'll show you. All I was doing is literally casted straight out. Every once in a while I see some blow ups right here. This is a big grass flat that kind of comes up to where that dock is out there. Oh, sorry, you can't see my fingers. It comes from that dock to all the way out till about past that point. This is just a big grass flat, and I always see fish busting. I've never caught actually fish off this grass flat. Today's different. So anyways, let's go. Let's get another one before we even get out on the water, man. Let's go. All right, GoPro is on. Got my lipless crank out here again. Let's try this again. I can't believe it, dude. I genuinely can't believe what just happened. Literally, this is all I did. Big long cast, and then I was yo-yoing it. No, I think I just got hit again. So if you ever come in to fish Acworth and you need a spot to catch bass, try this grass flat. With anything that fishes grass effectively, like a lipless, any type of spinner or chatterbait, swim baits, weedless or weightless swim baits, literally anything that floats your boat.
I was using this.
Look at this boy. It's got a tiny little perch, like what, this big? What did you catch it on?
A tiny little swim bait.
Huh. Well, first, let me see that. All right, his first fish in the morning. My fish would have eaten that, but it's okay. It's gotta start somewhere. Let's get another. Yeah, I do. Huh. I can't believe that worked. Got fish on them, guys. Just nice little spot. First fish in the new kayak. Yeah, let's go. Oh. There you go, guys. My first fish. I don't know if you can see that very well. But let's go. First little spot. I was trolling. I'll show you in a second what I was doing. Oh, you came unhooked. Ow. There we go. Yes, I can't believe I actually caught a fish. Oh, finally. Been a long time. New fish off the new yak. Let's go. See you, little buddy. Thank you so much for that little fight. It was kind of fun. So I'm doing, taking this little size, I think 1 like live bait hook. The Academy brand. I think the Academy brand's really good considering its price. Just hooking it through the nose like so. Now this is a minnow, but we have some shad as well. And we usually just sit here and drop it down like so, but I was just trolling along that wall right there, just kind of trying to get around this corner to this open spot. And I'm just paddling. Next thing I knew, I had a fish on. So I'll take it. My dad has been marking fish because he's got my old kayak with the fish finder on it. My dad's been marking fish kind of sporadically along this wall here. So now it's his turn to catch the fish on the old yak. Oh, my old yak, his new one. I'll take it. Let's go. I don't know, man. But there's stuff here. I mean, like, it's not like there's nothing over here. Those guys caught fish. Yeah, like, I'm surprised they're making nothing. Start thumping, see what happens. Fish. Oh. Oh, what do we got here?
You got here, you got something.
Oh, you got my other line. It's a nice bass. This little spot. The thumping works. There we go. Oh, look how fat this thing is. It's gorgeous. My minnow's still alive. Throw it out again. There we go, guys. Second fish of the day for me. I wasn't even looking at my bobber. I was just like looking at my dad, and the next thing I know, I'm feeling a tug. There we go. I mean, nothing huge. I mean, look at the belly on this guy. Like, he is gorging down there. I mean, look, it's been a slow day. I'll take what I can get. Let's go. It's a pretty fish. Yep, he's a spot. Let's see you, little man. Thank you. That was a fun fight. Yeah, I might just troll these two back behind me. I want to kind of come across this real quick with the wind. Fish on. Yeah, got one. Feels decent. Yeah, it's fighting pretty good. There's the catfish. There he is. It's a nice one. Yeah, kitty cat. I cooked him by the whisker. I don't know if I'm able to get this one in. You see how I'm hooked? In this little channel. Look, I hooked him by the whisker. I'll put up a nice little fight. The fact I haven't even lost this fish yet is surprising. Let him work himself out a little bit. I mean, that's a good channel cat. There he goes. See ya. That was fun. All right, I'll take it. We're sitting here packing up, but Dad throws out a live shad that he got hit earlier, or a minnow, and catches a catfish. Look at the size of the belly on this guy. Look at that. Oh, there's your third fish.
Third fish.
That's funny.
The line is over here.
Where are you casting that way? Two catfish. This needed to get warmer, maybe. Maybe he's not the smartest tool in the shed. There he goes. Well, we'll take it. That's why I always do that. I just like, if I ever have like a bait or two left for packing up, throw one out there just in case. But that's just a nice little added bonus. But that was fun. That was jokes. All right, well, see you guys in the next one.